Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro. This casting is by Greenlight, and some of you might not have heard about this truck, but it has been in market for a long time. And most of the American trucks and the other Japanese one, the Toyota Tundra, outsell this one, so it's not very common, but it does exist. This is from Greenlight and it's in 1:64 scale, so looks nice in this color. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X out of its box. Long name. So Nissan Titan XD is the name of the truck. Pro 4X is the trim. It is slightly off-roadish. This one is finished in this beautiful blue with the silver, so it's a two-tone paint. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. As you can see, a detailed headlamp, fog lamps, grille with Nissan logo, a skid plate, that's Pro 4X, two-tone paint, so blue on the body, green on the bumper, looks really nice. You also get both the mirrors, windshield wipers, which looks good. Now back to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, again some nice details. As you can see, you got the mirror, got the V8 badge here, two-tone colors continues here. You also got the side step, rubber tires with those nice looking off-road wheels, and it's completely off-road, but those are chunkier tires with those wheels which look nice. You also got the tire name on the tire which you see on some of the off-road tires. Not very common now. A few years back was Titan badge on the door, Pro 4X on the bed. You also got the fuel filler on the driver's side. Rear window is tinted, front isn't. A lot of good details on the side. Looks really good. On the back, again, you got some nice details. You got the bed with the Nissan badge. You got tinted tail lamps. You get a tow hook, a step in the bumper. The bed, it doesn't have any kind of coatings or I think bed liner, so you got the same blue color bed. There's a smaller window in the rear window which opens up. You can see that right there, and then you have the stop lamp on the top. So good details here too. It's tinted, so you can't really see the interior from the back either. On the passenger side, it looks almost identical. Only difference, no fuel filler here. This is how it looks from the top. No sunroof, but you have a sharp antenna in the front. Interior is in black. Let's see from the windshield. And this is how the base looks. So a lot of good details on the base. You can see there's actually a lot of more detail than you see on a lot of cars. So gearbox, engine, upper shaft, exhaust, a lot of details here. Looks good. Even the tread on the tire looks good. Overall, well, this truck might not be very common, but I think it's still a good looking casting. Something that I don't like on this casting, and I've seen on some of the other Greenlight trucks I got recently. I don't know how clear it is to you, but if you look at the mirrors, the side mirrors, you can see the one on the driver's side is pretty much straight, but one on the passenger side isn't. It's slightly bent, and it's not like you can, like Mini GT where it's movable, it's fixed, but it's not like properly aligned. So it looks a bit weird from some angles. Apart from that, the casting looks good. It's a nice looking truck, and I think if you buy one, you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.